Oh shoot. That scared me.
That's why you don't do that.
Wow. That's crazy. You see guys, grabe yung traffic doon sa right lane. Tapos itong sa next lane, 'di ba? Ang paspas talaga ng takbo ng ng mga cars. Yung may isang car dyan sa right lane na gusto niyang mag-merge on the left. Wala na lang siyang nag-cut ba? Punta siya dito sa left from the right lane. Tapos nakasunod kami. Oh my goodness, kung hindi, oh my gosh, kung nagkataon, like we could have like hit him. That's scary. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friend of Filipino Carpintera here in America. Today guys, we are going to pick up, Tagalog. Ngayon guys, we are going to pick up bird bath na gusto ko kasi yung bagong bahay namin kung matuloy, kasi guys nag-negotiate pa kami sa price ng aming builder. But anyway, so bibili ako ng bird bath na antique. Tapos may isang babae yung may-ari. Sabi niya nung isang araw pa kami nag-negotiate na kailan kukunin, blah blah blah. Tapos kahapon parang na siya ba, na impatient na siya. Sabi niya, kukunin mo ba talaga, kasi there are other people who are interested and I don't like to hang them, put them in a cage, that I cannot sell this for you. Hindi ko mabenta ito kasi mayroon na akong kausap, which was me. So sabi ko, oo, kukunin ko, but I was so busy yesterday because I met my family members from Hawaii.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you guys.
This is my family.
Aww. Very cool.
These are my grandchildren. Them, Gloria, and everybody.
Good.
And then she came in 2007. The two of us went to the Philippines in 2016. So it had been 11 years between visits.
Yes, yes.
I guess we're on the 11th because we'll probably go back in what's 11 years? 2027? That'll be another 11 years. I'd like to go back though.
He hates flying.
That's the problem.
He hates flying. That's the only thing that he doesn't like.
No controls.
This is what I got. Everybody's food seems yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
Very good.
Cat, don't use your claws. Hi guys, so I'm back now. I really had a great time with my family last. Cat! You see how ugly you are? Look at the camera. See how ugly you are. Itong pusang ito, siya talaga yung pinaka-sweet. Kaya lang mas gusto ko yung isang Siamese namin na namatay. Kasi talaga siya. Oh, I miss cheesecake. Okay guys, I think you need to go. Dusty, are you feeling lucky? How about you, cheesecake? Cheesecake, you need to clean your nose. You're so snotty. Hey, what are you doing? Stop purring. This one, his name is Dusty. Tingnan nyo yung eyes ko guys, oh. Namumula pa. Ninalagyan ko ng castor oil yung eyelashes ko. Kasi sabi nila tumutubo daw yung tilik mata mo pag nalagyan ng castor oil. Parang sobrahan ko guys. And yun, when I woke up this morning, hindi naman ako masyado nakatulog sa gabi. But when I woke up this morning guys, yun, pula na yung mata ko, para na ako sa Stop, Dusty! Teka lang. Go! Jeez! So, yun, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung dinner namin. So, I couldn't find time yesterday to pick it up. Tapos, yun pala, kaya siya nagmamadali guys, kasi widower siya. She just lost her husband of 30 years. So medyo siguro elderly itong, or may pagka-senior citizen itong babaeng ito. Tapos wala siyang ride. Sabi niya na, sorry but I'm such in a hurry, kind of in a hurry, kasi mapuputulan na siguro siya ng kuryente, sabi niya ganun. So she really needs that money like right now, like yesterday. Tapos yun, parang naaawa ako ba. So I told my husband, you know, I feel like siguro bigyan natin ng extra money yung Ali, kasi kawawa naman. But anyway, grabing traffic dito guys. Tapos yung isang mama, bigla na lang siyang lumiko sa malapit sa lane namin. Tapos yung cars na 60 miles per hour, 65 miles. We were running 65 miles per hour, right? Yeah. But anyway, so yun, naawa ako sa babae. Pero tingnan natin, sabi ko sa asawa ko, we'll give her a little more. Kasi hindi basta-basta pag nasa ganun kang sitwasyon, diba, na you are in dire need of money. But guys, mind you, sometimes it's like that. People who are like that, kailangan ko talagang ng pera, blah 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 blah. Kasi ang dami mga rason-rason. Actually, some of them are druggies, right?
Who's that?
Yeah, people who are like, I really need the money right now, because they give like lots of, you know, reasons. So, tingnan natin yung mukha. Titingnan ko kung yung mukha, kung totoo talagang, kasi makikita mo naman pag druggy sila, makikita mo. So, pag matanda siya, tapos mukhang kawawa, then we are going to give her extra, just a little extra. Pero pag druggy, ay nako. So yan guys, yan po siya. Anong tingin nyo? Matatanda na kailangan tulungan or druggy? Tingnan nyo mabuti. Matatanda kailangan tulungan or druggy? So yan po yung nakuha namin. Sabi niya galing daw sa mama niya yan. Tapos yung anak niya sabi niya, bakit mo ibibinta yan? Guys, if people are desperate, they will do everything. Sabi niya si sheriff na daw yung bahay nila. Pero she looks old, but she's only like 57. She is like 4 years older than me. Pero parang na talaga siyang lola. I think she's also a druggie. I don't know. But anyway, binigyan siya namin ng medyo a little bit bigger money. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. It's mom's season. Ganda ng mga moms. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, I think she's a druggie. Kasi parang na talaga siyang lola guys. Wala na siyang ngipin. Tapos she's like only 4 years older than me. Tapos sabi niya, si sheriff na yung bahay nila. May embargo na kasi hindi sila nakabayad ng mortgage. Kasi yung asawa niya namatay na. It's like, oh my goodness. Yeah, people who are really desperate to get money. Pero naaawa ko. At least, I was able to pray for her. Okay, we need to go to the sporting goods. Ooh, I like this pink.
Actually, yeah. Yeah.
So we can cook. How many cans do we need for us to be able to cook
You're asking me,
dinner?
You don't need more than that. It's not like
Okay.
you're camping for a week.
Okay.
I don't know what we're doing here.
Guys, magka-camping kami doon sa namin, overnight camping ngayong Friday or Saturday. So, watch out for that, guys. Doon kami
Oh, too fat. That's okay. We don't need. Otherwise, it was.
Why? How much is the other one?
What?
How much is that? The one that you got?
5.
Oh, 5. And that one is 9, 10. Yeah, it's still the same story.
But
Yeah.
we're not gonna need 2. One of them's just gonna rot. 'Cause we're not
Right,
gonna use it.
yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Goodness. Why is this one 22 though?
Can you open?
No, there it is. It's whatever that.
Oh, because it has a built-in thingy already, I guess.
No.
Ito po yung OOTD ko for today na walang plancha.
There's 70 and 80.
Jeez.
But those are not the smallest one. I mean, that's like queen, but they're like the same.
No, we need
I don't know.
Ito, kailangan din namin ng bed. Air mattress. Kaya lang, wala kami electricity doon. We can probably just knock at the neighbor's door. Like, eh, pwede kami maggamit ng inyong electric para mapump namin itong bed namin. I don't know. Takot si Cor mag-flip over yung ano, seahorse na statue dyan. It's okay, it's too heavy to flip. It's been a while since we've been in this place, right? Kasi yung kapatid ko, dito sila noon nagtatira. April?
April, remember?
When?
After
Next right.
where it was going, remember?
I thought it was after Rusty. Kain kami dito. Sabi ni Corey, this is going to be our last restaurant for a while. Alin ang naiiba? Alin, yan yung pagkain ng asawa ko. Yum. At ito lang po yung pagkain ko. See? Pero hindi lang yan, sorry, but meron pa. Sabi ng asawa ko, my gosh, you have more than what I have. Ay, ganun talaga eh. What? Actually, yan, second batch na ni Ford. Kasi, isa-isa yung pagkuha niya ng plate. Ako, I got 2 plates so that I don't have to get up and get one again later. So, sa kanya, isa-isa lang. Yan yung una, pagkatapos niyan, yan, pangalawa. So, parang na lang kami ng kinakain. Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa bahay. Galing na mag-shopping para sa aming. Guess what? We have a plan. Do you know what we're going to do? My husband will share it with you.
Sorry, caught me off guard. Please redo it. I'm sorry, just redo it.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa bahay. Tapos, may plano kami tomorrow night. We have a plan for tomorrow night. Is it tomorrow night?
That's what she said, but we have to find out if we can even do it yet.
Yeah. Tatawagan muna namin yung HOA kung pwede ba. Anyway guys, you share them please what we're going to do.
Gonna try to, it was actually an idea I had, but the land that we have, that's, right, that we're building a house on, gonna try to put a tent up there just overnight, just for fun, see what happens. Kind of a change of scenery.
Yes.
We don't know what we're doing. I've never done it before. Well, yeah, but we have to find out if we actually can.
Yes.
Because it's in a community and they have a lot of rules. So
Anyway, I'm sure we can. But guys, tomorrow night, abangan nyo kami kasi magka-camping kami doon sa Kagubatan. Doon sa lupa naming tig 5-5 lang. So because of that, mag-overnight camping kami doon. Kita nyo naman sa previous videos. For those who did not watch my other videos, please puntahan nyo yung mga videos ko na nagpakita ng land kung gaano siya kagubatan. So we are going to do stealth camping, right? We are going to do stealth camping. In other words, punta kami sa pinakaloob-loob, libliban ng part ng lupa. Tapos hindi kami magpakita sa mga tao na nandoon kami.
Stealth camping, but it's on our own.
Yeah, it's in our own land. But anyway, since magka-camping kami, syempre, kailangan natin ng mga materials, right? Can you greet them? You say, hello, kumusta kayo?
Too late for that, so I'll just say good morning, good evening, huh?
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, good evening, good midnight.
To all?
To all, what? The world, the subscribers, the viewers. Huh?
Yeah. And you are? Can you introduce yourself?
Sorry, it's late for me. My brain is not working so well. Husband? Huh?
Anyway, guys, so let's continue. I'm sad.
Just redo it. I'm sorry. That's too late for me.
I think I will just stop this altogether. Just wasting my time.
Just because I'm tired. Huh?
You're not supporting.
Yeah. Okay. Not supportive. The heat turn off.
Are you still doing it or not?
What?
I will just be the one to do this.
I took my sleep medicine, so I'm not.
I always like that when it comes to.
Oh, come on. Give me a.